Okay, double stick open four patterns. So we have high inward, high backhand, high inward, high backhand, high inward, low backhand, high inward, low backhand, low inward, low backhand, low inward, low backhand, low inward, high backhand, low inward, high backhand. So that's your four open four basics. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, so if you look at the directions, inward backhand, if you look at the levels, high, 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 low, 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 high. And we're doing this stationary with just the torsi. We jump to that, we jump from open 4, we add 1, and that gives us open 6. So now it's 3 motions with the right hand and 3 motions with the left hand. And in our organizational chart, we try to connect what we just did in open 4 with what we're doing now in open 6. So you remember open 4 started high, high. So now we just change the level and direction, and we go low. So high, high, low. So that's number 1. Number 2 in open 4 is high, low. So number 2 in open 6 becomes high, low, high, high, low, high. Number 3 in open 4 is low, low. So number 3 in open 6 becomes low, low, high, low, low, high. Number 4 in open 4 is low, high. So number 4 in open 6 becomes low, high, low, and low, high, low. So inward, backhand, backhand, 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 inward, backhand, backhand. I call that inward backhand, backhand out because that's going to play a part very soon.